Hey everybody, it's Annie here at Dinner Reviews, and if you're looking for a wireless trailer light kit, check this out. This here is going to go in that 7-pin. So this is my rig here. I can pop this in this way. That's it. You're going to get a left and a right light as such. So left and right, it's indicated on the back. This one's left. It says left right here. And then you have right. Again, these are going to be waterproof. You're going to charge them through USB-C. It does give you this cigarette lighter with 2 USB-C cables that hang off so you can charge at the same time. You also have some extra mounts to secure these if you needed to, but if not, they have some really strong magnets because when I'm towing a car, as you can see back there, let's get the camera up. So I have that trailer hitch back there, or a car tow trailer. I like to have additional lights on the car too as well, even though the trailer has lights. So what I do is I magnetically place these on the back of the car. So it's also here, left and then right. And so we can turn these on, one button click turns them on. As soon as you turn the car on or the RV on, hold the brake down for a few seconds, these will click in. You also have some white lights here for your license plates if you had these around a license plate. And you're going to get turn signals and brakes as well on these. So really nice trailer light kit. Let's go ahead and stick one there just to show you. So I'm just sticking them because they are magnetic, as you can see there. Let me go start the rig. I'll be right back. What are you girls doing? There you have it. You can see it is lighting up with a turn signal flashing, indicating that I'm turning. I'm not in the vehicle, so I can't show you the brakes and all that at the same time. But it is working. A wireless trailer kit, super easy to use. You get the dongle that sends the transmission to these guys here that are rechargeable up to 10 hours on a full charge, which is nice. So plenty for a long road trip for the day, then charge them throughout the night. Again, left and right. Comes in this nice case down here too as well with the charging cables, extra mounting brackets to secure them if you were worried about them falling off. But again, the magnets are super strong. You can see here, they're not going to come off. It's got this nice felt pad too as well, so nothing's going to get scratched. So overall, really nice set. Check them out. Shout out to the company for gifting me this set so I could do this review.